Hi, so today I'm going to review cleaning out the summer closet, and it would be the same steps for any season, but today is summer, so that's what I'm doing. And I'm gonna try and keep it as brief as possible. I realize there's really no pretty background in my bedroom, so this is what it is, and let's get started. So here I am at my closet. This is all my summer clothes. Let me turn this just a little bit. This is all my summer clothes, my entire summer wardrobe, even pants that I don't generally keep in the closet. I usually keep them in the drawer, but I put them in the closet just for this now. So I'm going to go through them quickly, following the steps. Don't remember the order that I put the steps in the blog, so I'm just going to do it the way I do it. One by one. Still love this dress, still wear it a lot. Keep it, and I can wear it for a little longer now in the fall. Number two, I think I can probably wear this a little longer because it's still, we have some pretty warm days, under a cardigan. All these sleeveless dresses now go under a cardigan, obviously. This, I don't love this so much that I need to have two light blue dresses for the autumn, so I'm going to take this out, but it will come back out next summer, so this is going on the rack. This, definitely good for fall. It's a great color for fall. It'll be perfect under a cardigan. That stays in for now. This dress is great under a black cardigan. Good transitional outfit. It stays in for now. The favorite dress, and I love this under the Palomino. I think that's such a funny color name. It's really not Palomino-y at all. Palominos are more yellowy. Anyway, this looks great under the Palomino Duster Length cardigan, so that stays in. This is good under the black cardigan, so that stays in. Then we come to t-shirts. Oh, you know what? I wanted to show you something before we get started. I want to show you everything I've bought since January 1st this year. Now, I know you've seen me do hauls and try-ins, so I've bought a lot of things, but most everything got sent back. Here are the things I've actually kept. T-shirt 1, T-shirt 2, T-shirt 3, T-shirt 4, T-shirt 5. I should have separated this out. This top, this Palomino cardigan, and the navy cardigan. These are the only things I bought since January 1st of this year. Clearly more spring summery based, but a lot of these will be for the whole year. But the point is, I really tried to be very, sorry, I forgot one thing. My favorite blue top. Can you see this? My favorite blue top. The point is, I bought so few things at the start of this year because my summer wardrobe was actually pretty good, that I have a little more, not that I actually have a clothing budget, it's just sort of what I can eke out of my grocery budget, more or less. But I have a little more, I'm going to call it budget, to spend on fall clothes because I know that wardrobe is not quite as complete as my summer is to me. Okay, now we'll proceed. So I have two white t-shirts. I bought this one first. I never really liked it that much. I got this one second. I like it much better. So I'm going to relegate this one to the t-shirt drawer, which is more shirts I wear like under sweaters and you're not going to see them, or to go walking, like exercising, as opposed to everything hanging in the closet pretty much will go to work or to go out with friends. So this comes even off a hanger, and that will be folded up in the drawer, and it'll keep all year because I'll wear it in the winter when I do exercise walking. But the other white t-shirt stays. It'll stay probably all year. Then the polka dot definitely stays. This is great for layering because it's very light. Cardigans are very light, so this is a great transitional piece. The same with the two black and white t-shirts. I got this one first, but it's long sleeve. It doesn't exactly have the fit I want. So then I got this one, still not exactly the fit I want. These two being not exactly what I wanted are really the reason I ended up getting this, because I love the fit and the feel of this one, but it's still not a stripe. So I'm going to keep both of these in here for now, because this one I don't like wearing without something over it. This one, because of the longer sleeve, I'll wear it without something over it. So for now they both stay, but at some point this will also probably go into the drawer for like exercising and things like that. Then we come to, one more. Okay, this is going to be relegated to the drawer. It's I've had it several years. It's too dingy from lots of washing. That's the problem when you have black and white stripes, is the black eventually sort of seeps into the white and makes it dingy. So it's not work appropriate anymore, or even like going out to dinner with girlfriends. But I could wear it walking in the fall. It's long sleeve, so I don't have to layer it. This is a favorite, and I wear this really 3 seasons of the year. I only don't wear it in the very coldest season, just because the neck and chest is so open, and when it's really cold, I like that covered up. So this definitely stays in for now. This is great for fall. The black tunic length top that I don't wear a whole lot, but when I need a black tunic length top, this is the one. This stays in the wardrobe all year round, even though I don't wear it that often, but it's still a good staple piece. This is another 3 season item. I can never wear it to work without something over it, because the armholes are really, really low, and they come like well below the bottom part of my bra. So it has to be worn with something over it. So I actually wear it less in the middle of the summer, which seems surprising. You'd look at it and think it was a summer top. It's really more of a spring fall top under cardigan. So this stays in. This is new this fall. I just shot pictures for it for a blog post that will go up soon, and I did a day out east, and I think there'll be an Instagram story with it. But it's great for fall. Like the other one, the sleeve, the armhole's very low. Can't wear it without something over it, at least not to work. But it goes under a lot of different things in my closet, because it has blush pink, navy blue, golden yellow, a wine, a rust. I've got like 5 different cardigans that I can put this over. I can wear it over dark blue jeans, light blue jeans, white jeans. It's just a great piece. This has never been worn. This is that blouse I bought at the thrift store back in the middle of June, I think, with the thought that I would tie it around my waist over leggings and a cream white tee, and never have, because my stomach's too big for the sleeves to go around. But I might wear it in the fall over the cream tee and over jeans, just loose and open, almost like a, oh my god, I hate to say the word, shacket. Almost like that. So I'm going to leave it in for now, but if I don't wear it this fall, it's going, because it's been through summer and through fall, and if it doesn't get worn, then it can't stay. Then this t-shirt, it's fun because it's like business in the front, party in the back. It's gotten a little snug through repeated washings. It's shrunk just a little bit, so I don't wear it that much. And I don't leave it in for now, just because I don't have another gray t-shirt, and I can wear it. I would like to wear it over the white jeans with the black cardigan, so I'll leave it in for now, but it'll probably come out when we do the real fall to winter cut. This really shouldn't even be in the closet. This is an item that sometimes I wear in the heat of the summer, because it's really old and faded and low armholes and sheer. It was never really a work item. It's really just like going to sit on the beach at sunset in the hot, hot summer days. So this is going back in the drawer. I don't know how it ended up in the closet to begin with. I don't honestly know if this is going to be a fall piece. I'm going to leave it in for now, just because it's still warm, and if there are warmer days, I could wear it with nothing over it. I don't really see this with something over it. I don't know what I have right now that I would put over it. So until it's so cool that I can't wear it with nothing over it, I could keep wearing it. Then there's this, which is a perfect fall piece on its own or under a gray cardigan or the navy cardigan, so that stays in. This blue Tencel chambray top that I've always worn like a shacket, just unbuttoned over another piece underneath. I wear it sometimes over this black dress. I wear it over a t-shirt with white jeans, blue jeans, blah, blah, blah. It's a good piece. Olive green t-shirt. This stays 3 seasons of the year. This stays. The olive green tunic. Yeah, this goes into the fall because I always wear it under the black cardigan. This is an example of one of those things that does not really go with 3 different outfits. It really just makes the one outfit, but it's also the only time I really wear my black leggings anymore. And I already have them, and I already have hit, and I have the black duster like cardigan that goes over it. So since I already own them all, I don't mind that they're one-hit wonders, but I wouldn't buy something new to go with any of these pieces. Well, the black cardigan, yes, but it also has very long armhole, low armhole, so it has to have something underneath it. So that stays, that's a great fall item. The green shacket that I wear all the time, that stays, that's a good fall item. This might be the first item to actually go. I still wear it just because for the early part of the summer, I had nothing else to put with it. To wear instead of it. But now, the 2 or 3 items, I wear this over the light blue summery dresses. But I started wearing the Palomino cardigan over them. And here's the question that I always ask myself when I'm on the fence about an item, either at the store or at home. The question is this: do I want to be the person that I am when I wear this? Or does this person help me feel like the person I would, does this outfit, does this item help me feel like the person I want to be? When I wear this item, I feel very sort of dowdy and grandmothery, and I don't want to be that person. So I'm going to let this go, like go for real, like go away out of my possession, like get sold on eBay or something. Because this, what has happened is every year now I keep saying, well, I'll keep it until I have something to replace it. But I'm basically sort of cheap, so as long as I have that, I'm not spending money on something else to replace it. I just keep wearing it. So let it go, and then I can either keep wearing the Palomino cardigan instead of it, or I can find something even better. I've seen better things online, but they were a little more money than I wanted to spend, so I haven't done it. I feel like a white cardigan is not really that much in my wardrobe wheelhouse. I think I can live without it. So I'm letting that go. And really, so far, that's the only piece I'm letting go of totally, which is really a good sign of your wardrobe. And then the infamous Palomino cardigan. This definitely stays. This is a 4-season item. This also lightweight gray. Wear it over white or blue jeans or black jeans in the winter over a white tee. That stays. That's it's a little heavier for summer, so it's sort of a 3-season item. The navy cardigan, that was sort of a mistake because I felt I needed a navy cardigan, so I bought this one from H&M. It's a little big and baggy, and once I got it, I thought, do I really, really need a navy cardigan? But it was one of those things that was so inexpensive on sale that I just felt like to go to the trouble to send it back for $14, I'll wear it a couple times, it'll be fine. So that stays. The black sister cardigan to the Palomino cardigan, also navy. I wear this 4 seasons a year. They're both very, very thin and lightweight, and I like that. You know, in the winter, then we get the big, chunky, heavy sweaters. Okay, then the jeans, which normally don't live in the closet, but just so you can see everything I have. The Gloria Vanderbilt Amanda tapered jeans that are just about to wear through, and I bought a new pair of the exact same jeans, so I need to start wearing those to get those broken in, so when these actually tear through, I don't miss a beat. I can just pick right up with the other ones. Those definitely stay. That's a 4-season-a-year outfit. The Charlotte Russe skinny jeans, they continue to stay in. I only don't wear them in the heat of the summer. The white jeans that were my love this year, and they are 4-seasonal. And then these, which again, shouldn't really even be in the closet. They really go with this top, and I just save them for hot summer afternoons. They're linen, they're very slouchy, they're missing a button, and there's just like a drawstring, but it's not elastic. So no matter how tight you tie it, they start slipping down against. They're uncomfortable, but they're great for putting on and just getting yourself into the beach chair because they're very cool and airy, so the heat doesn't bother you. So these I'm going to leave here just because I might have a couple more hot beach days. So that is my whole summer wardrobe. I really only took one thing out for now. A few more of these things will come out when I change from real fall to winter, but a lot of them are going to stay in. Now, I didn't start yet opening up my fall things, so that'll be part 2 of this video. Maybe I'll get to that next week. I'll see how busy this weekend is. But that's sort of how I do that. And again, I want to say I'm really very pleased with my summer wardrobe. Everything in it, just about everything in it, I really like. I wear a lot. I keep thinking about putting a little chart here. How like annoying and OCD would that be? Put a little chart there with like a spreadsheet of every single item I own and put a little check next to it every time I wear it so I can see how many times I wear it. But I know the things I wear tons and tons and tons, the things I just wear a lot, and then something like this that I really only wore a couple times because I have the other dress that's almost identical to it and I like it a little bit better. So this was a dumb purchase. Whatever. Live and learn. So that's it. That's part 1 of switching, assessing your closet, your seasonal wardrobe, and deciding what comes out. And next time I will look at my fall items and see what, early to mid-fall items can join now. I don't really know that there's a whole lot of early fall things actually that can come in, but I'll prep maybe some dresses, things that I can still wear with bare legs. Like I said in the article, I'm pointing like the blog post is above me, which it's going to be when I'm in the video. The blog post will be above me. The real test for me of when I switch out all the real summer dresses is when I can no longer wear bare legs, because I wouldn't wear tights and booties or boots with any of these dresses, except this one. I forgot about this. This stays in. The black dress stays in 4 seasons of the year. This thermal cardigan, which is really more of a jacket, but today I wore it as part of the outfit. It's 4 seasons a year. So once I have to have tights and boots or booties, the summery dresses go away, the fall winter dresses come out, and then we proceed from there. Okay, I hope this helped you. It was very easy, and I will see you next time. Bye.